Welcome into our One Drop family. If you're here, you've opted into utilizing our free Essential Oil 101 workshop content calendar. Now, these content calendars are the tip of the iceberg of what One Drop can offer to you and to your doTERRA business. In here, we have broken down 31 plus days of copy that is already written for you. This content calendar specifically really outlines a one-on-one workshop. So it's a great tool to utilize on your social media. It's a great tool to utilize within your Facebook community. It's even a phenomenal tool to implement into an email series, drip campaign for new customers, or to utilize it for even an exclusive event. What we have created with this is just the simplicity of being able to stay very consistent and get across some really impactful points of what doTERRA can do for your customers or for your possible future customers. So I want to give you guys kind of a navigation behind the scenes of what these look like and how you can utilize them. So down here, it'll give you a sneak peek single day of what a content calendar looks like. So the content calendar itself is the copy, this part right here that is already written and done for you. You can copy the text. You can always tweak it to fit your voice, but it gives you that base foundation that gets you about 95% there. And then you can add in your own personal touches. Now with our current subscribers, what they'll see in the back is they'll see a list of different graphics that they'll be able to choose from. This is one of my favorite parts of the content calendar because you can pick whatever fits your aesthetics, whatever fits your vibe. You can pick the graphic or the photo that really speaks to you. You're not stuck into one specific photo. Now, for our free users, you will see that there is only one single photo that is available for our free content calendar. So if you want to unlock the possibility to get all the options, I highly recommend jumping in and actually subscribing to One Drop. It is one of the best business investments you can make for your doTERRA business. So let's go ahead and jump over. I'm just logged in under a free user. So let's go ahead and get it now. And this will, because there is no charge to this will automatically add into your My Content Calendars. Now, if you purchase content calendars through One Drop, every single content calendar you purchase stays on your account as long as you have an active account with us. So since this is a freemium, you're gonna come down here and you're just gonna pick whatever day of the month that specific month starts on, or maybe you just want to start launching this on Monday. So I'll just select Monday. You're gonna save that. When you're on a desktop, you will be able to see the content calendar in two views. So the first view is going to be this calendar view. You can go through and you can understand every single day that's offered, or you can switch to the stacked view, okay? So you'll see in here that there are tons of different days that you can choose from. This really walks people through a basic one-on-one class. And so when you expand these days, this is where you're gonna see the copy that's already written up, and you'll just come in here and you'll select copy text. Now that's copied to my copy on my computer. And if since this account is only a free account, this is the only graphic that is a free graphic. So you'll come in here and you'll click on download and you'll download that to your computer. We do ask that you put your watermark, which is your brand or your name, on anything that you download from One Drop. It not only protects One Drop and our contributors who work really hard to create these items, but it also protects your investment when you do decide to go ahead and subscribe and unlock all of the future possibilities of what you can download through One Drop. It just protects your personal investment from people screenshotting and taking from your social media. So for our people who have unlimited access, they can scroll through here. They can download the graphic that best speaks to them, best fits their vibe. For our freemium users who are just testing out the waters before you guys subscribe, you can just click on download and then watermark that and then paste this copy into your next future post. I prefer to just use Facebook and their actual system itself to preset posts. So I'll do about a week at a time. Now, if you do want to come in here and you want to jump around, say you already posted why doTERRA, you can check mark that and it'll gray it out. And maybe you want to jump over to the theme of the month, Essential Oils 101, what we're going to be talking about. So you can jump in here and you can check mark it. So if you're jumping around, you can at a quick view, you can see, oh, okay, I've already posted these 2 days. I want to come back to this one. So it really allows you to have the flexibility of A, knowing what you've posted, but also B, being able to post in the order that you feel called towards, okay? So, like we said, we have 30 plus days. We have some bonuses in here. We have it really easy. Are you ready to get started? Call to action for people to enroll with you. But we really walk people through a full 101 class with this free content calendar. And truly, this is just a way that we want to say thank you. We've gotten so much support from wellness advocates who have shown up, utilized OneDrop. If you actually come into the OneDrop main page, you'll see that we have almost 30,000 items that are at your fingertips. We have, content calendars that you can come in. The content calendars are a premium add-on just because the copy is a premium add-on to your subscription. It's only $11 a month. And when you have an unlimited subscription, you actually get that discounted down to about $10. So, and again, it saves you a ton of time, right? That's the whole purpose of it. We have product photos, lifestyle photos, so you can come in here and even with your free plan, you can browse all of these different resources and see what speaks to you. But the whole point is to make your life and sharing your love of doTERRA and sharing how this company and how these oils have impacted your life in the online space and even in person in a really easy, simple way. Something that I do love is our printables that we have in here too. So take some time, explore how this can be a massive tool. I will tell you, this has replaced a virtual assistant. This has replaced a graphic designer. This has replaced a copywriter, all at the low price of less than $35 a month. So depending on which option you jump into, definitely check it out, look through the library and see how you can utilize this to expand your doTERRA business and show up in the way that you want to show up for your audience. So we're grateful for you. We hope you guys enjoy this free content calendar and continue to grow and expand your business.